Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our bedroom linen services and find it useful.
Of their bedrooms. Reasons to choose South Florida locals who love a beautifully made bed but struggle with the region's humidity, heat, and the challenge of keeping bed linens looking crisp and cool would benefit greatly from choosing Sudsies for regular cleaning of their bed linens. Here are several reasons why. 1. Expert care for humidity-exposed linens. Combating humidity and mold. The high humidity in South Florida can lead to issues like mold, mildew, and odors in bed linens. Sudsies uses specialized cleaning techniques and eco-friendly, non-toxic cleaning agents that effectively remove these issues, ensuring that linens are not only clean, but also free from the musty smells that can develop in a humid environment. Preserving fabric integrity. Regular cleaning by Sudsies helps to preserve the integrity of fine linens, preventing the deterioration that can occur due to prolonged exposure to moisture. This ensures that linens stay looking and feeling fresh for longer periods.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.